In this video, I'll show you how to activate the Return to Home function on DJI Drone. If you find this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Activating the Return to Home function on a DJI drone ensures the drone automatically returns to its takeoff point in case of signal loss, low battery, or operator error, providing safety and preventing loss. It helps ensure a safe landing when manual control is no longer viable. To activate the Return to Home function, first locate the H with an arrow pointing above it option on the left side of the screen. This button is clearly labeled and easy to find, and when clicked, it will display two options: Land and Return to Home. Touch and hold the Return to Home circle for a few seconds, and your drone will immediately orient itself toward its home point. Once activated, the drone will begin its journey back, adjusting its position to face its home. It will then automatically start flying toward the location from which it took off. On the controller screen, you'll see that your drone is heading back home, and within a short time, it will reach the departure point. After a smooth approach, your drone will land safely at the original location. By following these simple steps, you can activate the RTH function with confidence, ensuring a safe and controlled return every time. It's a great feature to use when you're unsure of the drone's exact location or if you want to make sure your drone returns safely to its starting point. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.